Good morning. Good morning. This is Vera Pin. Today is Monday, May 11th, 2020. Today, I and my mom are making salad Khaek, another famous Thai salad.
ตัวเองก่อนพูดตัวเองก่อนไม่ใช่
Okay, go.
First we have garlic.
We're making the salad sauce, which has red
Garlic.
chili,
garlic
red onion, garlic,
เอาถ่ายก่อนเอาอย่าง3 อย่างแล้วนะเดี๋ยว
Masala oil,
ไทยไอ้ถ่ายออยทัดเทก่อนเทเลยเทสิ
okay, Masala oil, salt,
sugar
sugar,
tamarind sauce
tamarind sauce, but we don't have enough tamarind sauce, so we're using
lemon juice
fresh lemon juice,
fresh lemon juice then the last one is coconut milk
and coconut milk.
ไทยเท
It's not coming out.
let me do it give me the box give me the can
Coconut milk.
อันนี้สุดให้ปั่นเสร็จกันโอเค then we
Now,
garlic
now we're gonna blend it together, all together.
yeah
Wait. Can't see.
ให้สีสันสวยเราใส่ Chinese sauce นิดบิดเพื่อให้มีสี
So,
เปิด
wait, what do you say right now?
if we need the color we put some soy
If we need to make
the color look nice
the color look nice, we're putting the seasoning sauce,
little bit
a little bit of seasoning sauce.
okay
Okay.
blend it
Now we're gonna continue blending it. The seasoning sauce gave it like a light, like beige color. Mom, can you get this out?
okay
That looks so tasty.
then we put the
And then
peanut
now we're gonna put the roast peanuts that we just pound in the mortar.
เดี๋ยวนะต้องคนก่อน
And We're gonna stir the peanuts, like mix it in with the rest of the ingredients that we just blend. Okay, so once you thoroughly mix it, now we're gonna add it to the
แล้วก็สลัดพวกนี้เขากินกับโปเตโต้ชิพเอาโรยไว้นี่
Now we're gonna complete the salad with potato chips.
เลี้ยงไว้เนี่ยอย่าไปปิดเลี้ยงไว้เนี่ยเอาอย่างนี้พอละ
So,
okay.
So for the salad, we use loose leaf green lettuce, cherry tomatoes, onions, cucumbers, fried tofu.
This the most we have to have it.
For salad cat, it's important to have tofu, and you have to fry it. Slice boiled eggs, strawberry, avocado, boiled chicken,
and
potato chips.
That's it.
And that's it.
เพิ่งไปเอาจานมาแบ่งกินแล้วลาดมาละ
So now I'm going to try the salad cat.
เต้าฟู
I'm gonna get some tofu.
boiled egg. Potato chip.
This is very delicious. With the sauce. The sauce gives it like a very creamy, spicy, and a little bit of bitterness. And it's very peanutty with the roasted peanuts mixed in.
This vegetable can lose weight.
This is another famous Thai salad. It's a good dish to make during this time of quarantine, and you lose weight. So for the salad,
Easy to make.
we're using loose leaf green lettuce, tomato, cucumber. Most importantly, you need the fried tofu, sliced boiled eggs, sliced chicken. It could be chicken or any other kind of meat, but we're using chicken. Avocado, strawberry, and potato chips.
That's it.
That's it. And if you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.